Hi, my name is Suresh. My roll number 22G21A3205 and my domain is Java programming. I did my internship in company Demi Software Solutions in this is my details about the programming of academic 2026 and source and outcomes demonstrate the theoretical learning outcomes and integrate theory practice during graduation. Comprehensive industries practice relevant and allied field of study, develop communication skills, terms and oral, written, graphical communications, and develop program solving skills, develop work habits and teamwork and manage wellness settings, and the successful career graduation of this internship. And this is the end of the course, and I will able to learn and Java, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And Java is a high-level object-oriented language. It is used to build a program and independent applications in Java virtual machine JVM. And HTML is a standard language to create a structured content of web pages. And next, CSS language is an web applications like colors and layouts and fonts. And another one is JavaScript. It is a versatile programming language and used to make a dynamic range of applications. And mostly Java is an widely used and object-oriented programming language designed to a platform independent code written any devices and virtual machine is a one-time is code and anywhere running on the building across the platforms applications. Java known as a simplicity and security, robotic and commonly used in development of the mobile application, especially Android and enterprise level systems of Java. And next, main concept of Java is the object for hooks and platform independent multi-threading and expression handling and memory management, so strong type checking and also object-oriented programming of hooks and it is an easy to concept to the Java and class and objects is the main thing of the installation, wrapping of data together and restricting using a access modifier and inheritance polygon abstraction of hooks is the main concept of the Java to the wide ranges of applications to develop and system and Java is a platform independent known as it means code written once run anywhere system modification is possible to Java and it is programmed to complicated bytecode and executed Java virtual machines as IPA JVM. Same Java program runs smoothly different operating systems like Windows, Macs, macOS and Linux and multi-threading memory handling of memory management of Java automatically through the process of the garbage collection system identify removes object and long needed filling of the memory space and also strong type checking. This is known as an strong type checking is an ensure that variable to declare a specific data and commonly compatible values and assigns to it. And this is helps to catching of errors early doing and complication rather to sometime making program more secure and stable or the debugging in Java programming to the consideration of the Java and most of the applications to develop in Java to consideration of the Java applications and it is mostly using and web application developed as a HTML language. It is known as hypertext markup language. It is basic building a block of web pages used to structure display content on internet using tags HTML, head, body, and H1 and P and paragraph tag. These then most usually tags in the HTML. It likes text, images, links, and stable and forms markup language not not a programming language that focuses content structure rather logic and modern HTML5 and including of in features like multimedia supporting and tags and improved forms and work together CSS styling JavaScript interactivity in HTML language and next one is HTML server importance topics like HTML heads and body and paragraph tags and heading tags and image tags, audio tags and video tags like that. Mostly using an important concept of the CSS responsible design and colors to website include good images like percentage, like if support the animations of the transactions, create smooth visual effects and in the display and visibility to control elements and cascading light sheet. And also next one is JavaScript. And JavaScript is a widely using a programming language, primarily designing and web pages interact with dynamically to create a brand and its 1995 is known as core technology of the web. Alongside HTML, CSS, JavaScript run directly web browsers like Google Chrome and Firefox and Amazon developers to create animations, validation, real-time updates, and interact maps follows to event-driven, object-oriented functional programming style, making flexible different types of developments in the Java programming. And also, over time, JavaScript expanded to beyond with environmental like Node.js enable developers build server-side applications like API and full-stack systems using single language and support to modern framework and libraries such as React, Angular, and Vue.js and simplify the process of building to Angular.js with simplifying of the versatile large community. JavaScript remains of the most popular essential program language for software development today. And next is project description of AI virtual assistants. It is a most to continuous of the Java project to intelligent virtual assistant design to simplify user interaction with computer, voice commands, and automation inspired the functional AI assistant. JARVIS from a Marvel universe of the finance system to aim to replicate of the responsibilities of the efficient digital comparison of in Java programming is mostly used in is enterprises of system and banking systems also and everyday task to opening up applications such web and searching of web applications to providing a way the and updates and setting and reminders of responding of the query and real-time integration, speech recognition, and another recognition support. Natural language processing and technologies allow to continuous and manner applications like system and more human manner reducing of the sustainable communicate of the manual inputs to Java. And next is one of the key feature of Java is systems the automation and capacity and capability user can perform repetitive and time consuming tasks, simple voice and instructions such as opening software and sending emails and music or controlling smart devices and assistant who also customized based on user performance, allowing personalized response and task distribution and security privacy consideration and also to handle to Java to most of the developers to explain code reusability of making of scalable and flexible of artificial intelligence of the concept. And most of the these user applications to user experience and showcases and potential voice of based computing system and personal assistant of the smart automation systems. And this is likely to Java to continuous and most reliable and most highly language to the popular language in the present generation. It is to code reusability and capacity of the any software sending emails and playing music and controlling smart devices also and performance level it is most security and privacy platform of Java in using of banking systems also. It is mostly security issues reduce of the project and This is my project about the Java, and thank you this giving this opportunity.